Hi, Logman here. Today's video is about how to use jKool to track and monitor Java garbage collection. Let me start by logging into my account. I have actually several JVMs configured with the garbage collection tracker. Now what I want to actually bring your attention to is I want to know across all of my JVMs what are the worst collections. And I have a query here that I've defined that reads get longest 10 events, or in this case 10 collections, garbage collections with event type clear. And I want to order by start time. So in this case it shows us the longest 10 collections for today happen to be across the JBoss servers. So in this case the longest was 0.16 seconds. I also have a graph here that summarizes all of the survivor space after the collection has been invoked across all of the JVMs. So in this case, we actually look in memory utilization after the collection was triggered. Now in this case, we have 81% after the collection is triggered, 62, and if we actually go all of these and go to the latest set, we're going to get the latest collections that are happening for today, and one of them was actually after the collection was 100%. So we will want to zoom into this collection, and it shows us the location where the server was running. It was end of a minor GC. It was a scavenge garbage collection, and we get all of the statistics about how much memory was committed, initial memory, maximum memory, memory utilization used, and the delta, meaning after the collection was actually a gain of about 196K, and utilization went up by 37%. Now we have more summaries here. We want to summarize all of the garbage collections and see how, we have obviously G1 collector, we have different other CMS collectors configured as well. What I'd like to do, especially when you're doing a garbage collection across multiple JVMs, I want to know what is normal versus abnormal. So here I have a viewer that actually shows me normal behavior by minute, and in this case I want to show number of different collections. So this is gives me a GC frequency. As you can see, GC kicks in, drops, kicks in and drops. But the upper band and lower band showing that the garbage collection that I have across all my JVMs is within the normal band. Now that garbage collection frequency is different from garbage collection duration. Now I may want to know if my garbage collection is in fact within the normal band. As you can see, we have a normal garbage collection here, but then an abnormal spike in this band. So maybe actually drill into this and drill into this spike and see what we're actually getting. As you can see, we have a garbage collection, again, happen on a JBoss server, and then we can look at the details of that. Garbage collection duration was 57 milliseconds, which contributed 0.22% of all the garbage collection. The total duration of the garbage collection was about 26 seconds, and it constituted 0.02% of all the time, CPU time that the JVM spent. So again, we have a dashboard here, or I have a dashboard here that allows me to see worst garbage collections. I'd be able to drill down in them, as well as normal and abnormal frequency, normal and abnormal duration of the garbage collections across multiple JVMs. Now I have, in fact, here I have 3 JVMs running. I have JBoss, I have Webster Application Server, I have another one of my standalone applications. Now I can also break down different garbage collections across all of my JVMs. I have allocation failures in one of my standalone applications. I have G1 evacuation pauses, 35 of them that happened today, and I have most of these allocation failures that happen in the Webster Application Server. I can actually drill down into those and get all of the GC events that have occurred for this specific Webster Application Server, and then get down to the details. Now with that, I'd like to conclude my demo, and please don't forget to light up your apps with jKool. Thank you.